Hi, it's Vishali here. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick DIY ruffle hairband tutorial. So it's very easy to make. The best thing is that you can use any old clothes or leftover clothes to make these cute scrunchies. You don't even need to worry about the sewing machine, because if you do not have sewing machine, you can either use the fabric glue or hot glue gun to stick the fabric and make these cute scrunchies. Use any t-shirt fabric, jeans or silk, cotton, any fabric you want. These ruffle hairbands looks really cute. So let's get started with the tutorial. So for this, I'm taking a cotton fabric stripe here, which is about 20 inches long and 4 inches wide. So if your fabric is not very large, then you can take 2 pieces and join them, or you can just reduce the length by 2 or 3 inches. Now iron the fabric so that it will be easy to stitch this. Now as you see that I'm folding this cloth fabric wrong side, and then what we are going to do, will sew this part. Just make sure that both the ends of the cloth fabric should be open. Here I'm using sewing machine. You can hand sew this or simply just use fabric glue or hot glue gun to stick this part. Now we need to flip this cloth tube right side. For this, use a safety pin. Pin one end of the cloth and push it through the cloth's other end. Remove this safety pin. Now what we need is an elastic. So cut a piece of an elastic which should be around 7 to 8 inches long. So here I'm measuring the elastic, so it's around 7-8 inches. Just attach a safety pin to the one end of the elastic and insert it to the cloth tube. Push it through the fabric, and here make sure the ends of the elastic should be out. Now remove this safety pin and tie both the ends of the elastic together in double or triple knots. And one more thing, I would recommend to use thin or thread-like elastic here so that it will be easy to make such knots. So now once you are done with all these things, what you need to do is just fold the one part of the cloth tube inside and like this, and just push the other end of the cloth through it. We will now hand sew this part, and this ruffle hairband will be ready. If you do not want to stitch this part, then you can use any fabric glue or the hot glue gun to stick this, and this ruffle band will be ready. So this is how it's going to look, and here are all the ruffle hair bands or scrunchies that I made. Aren't these really cute? It's really quick and easy to make these ruffle hair bands. You can make as many of these hair bands as you like. And the best thing is you can use old and waste fabric that you have and make these beautiful and cute ruffle hair bands. So this is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Do subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos. Follow me on my other social media accounts where I share all the pictures of my DIY project. Like, share and comment me your feedbacks. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.